everyone! Welcome to my channel. This is Minga USA. We're here at Whitewater Preserve. We'll be here in Riverside or San Bernardino County. So we're going to this hiking trail. This is what? Tukut? Takut? It looks like an Indian word. So try natin. We're not gonna it's the first time to walk in this side. First time ko galing na ako doon. That's the mountain. Only one mountain I climb. Usually it's 4 mountain. You climb 4 mountain, the canyon views. So at the end, the last mountain, you're gonna go down to the river all the way to the other side. So but I didn't go walk that far. I walked just one mountain in that mountain. See, that's it. Last time I went there for 4 hours. I walked 4 hours. This time I'm just gonna try this. This is my first time in this hiking trail. So. It's nice because it's nature, you know. If you're a nature lover, you're gonna be like this. You're gonna walk. I have a few friends that we come over here and just stay in the campsite. They don't walk. I love to walk like this. I go to the river or saan kaya ako abutin ito? Yeah, before these areas allowed the public allowed to do whatever they want. They go swimming, they barbecue in here. But one time we have a fire over here because of people doing barbecues and campfire in here. So the entire area got burned. So wood is still there. See this area. Luckily some other stuff it's growing again, but they got burned in here. So that's why you're not allowed to cook or anything around here. If you wanna cook, you're gonna go to the campsite. Yeah, it got burned out here. So that's the canyon in there. Isn't that beautiful? I checked my blood pressure this morning before I hike. It's 110 over 88. So that's my blood pressure this morning. Since I have a fatty liver, high cholesterol, and high blood pressure, so I need more exercise. That's I need. And look at the bird. Look at that thing. That's not eagle bird's nest. I don't know what's that. Is that a bird's nest or just the moss? What do you call that? Moss? There you go. I'm not gonna hike that side now. You hear that? Very nice. Yeah, and if sometimes early in the morning you could see a lot of bighorn there in that mountain. So we're here in Takot or Takot. I don't know how to pronounce that. Oh, they have a picnic area over here. Look at that. It's not nice. Wow. Oh, you could park your cars here. I see. So anyway, if we have a lot of rain, this will be all yellow. But there's no rain. Look, they're all brown. Supposed to be spring to May. This area is totally yellow. But since we don't have rain, this is happened. So this is, you get this. You guys could come over here. Okay, this is the activity in here. There's the activities here. If you come in this place, that you could do. You could go hiking, picnic, walk your dog, wildlife, birds watching, wildflower. There you go, for your safety, mountain lion, rattlesnake, black bear, plus flood, in cell service unavailable. So this I got encountered that in this one. I got encountered in that. But they don't bite me. This one knocked on my window in my van, scratching my van. They're trying to get into my van. But luckily, I'm still awake and I turned on my panic alarm on my car, so that's why he got scared. So the next day I reported to the park ranger. So they're watching them all week, and then they hire some people to catch the black bear because they're going to the campsite every night. So there's a regulation: no fire, no barbecue, no shooting, alcohol, collecting anything, drone, tour bus parking, no off-road, no amplifier, no bicycle. There you go. Gate closed at 4:30. This is another area that is a lot of, that you could do in here. You could hike. See, this is Cottonwood. Wow, you go over here, all the way there, all the way to that top. Wow. So I went here already. I went there. Went here already, and that too. I went here. Now I'm over here. Oh, right here. I'm over here this time. Whew. Yan, if you wanna do volunteering, there. You wanna stay in touch, there you go. You could donate. It's dog poopies. So anyway, nandito tayo ngayon. Paano pumunta dyan sa picnican? Dito pala yun, may parkingan. So if you're gonna go in this area, they have a parking spot in that area. Oh, it's nice in here. Oh, I love this. See? May puno at saka may picnic area. I'm wondering kung pwedeng ito i-plant. Kaya lang bawal magmuha nito dito. See? It's not the seeds. I don't know which one is growing. Is this one? It's not. I don't know if it's that's the one that you could grow. See? Yeah. Alright guys, thank you for watching. That's it for today. This is Minga USA again. Please like and share. Or please subscribe, please. Please subscribe to my channel. It's free. And thumbs up. Oh my god, look at my hair. It's totally wet. See? This is the good thing when you walk, when you hike. It's a lot of sweat. So anyway, I go to steam room and a sauna, so I sweat there too. But I think that's when my blood pressure went up, because in the heat. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I appreciate you guys. Please subscribe, like, and subscribe. Ayan, thank you. Have a good day, and God bless.